What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life on a 2013 Acura RDX. So like I said, it's a 13 RDX in this video, but it'll be the same on a few different years. So if your RDX is in need of an oil change, you may see a message on the dash saying service due soon or service past due. And what we need to do in order to get that message off is to reset the oil life. To do that, we'll need the vehicle either running or the ignition in the on position. Then we're going to come over here and we'll do the rest of it using these buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel. So the first thing we need to do is scroll down or up and keep scrolling until we get to this screen, Customize Settings. Once we have that screen up, we're going to hit the Select button. And that's going to bring us to that screen. And again, now we'll scroll down or up and keep scrolling until we have maintenance info up. Then we'll press select. And now as you can see here, it says oil life reset. And then you'll have to scroll up or down until we have the reset highlighted. Once reset is highlighted, we'll press the select button. And as you can see there, it was reset. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.